Welcome to ZeroThreat. Let's explore two methods to share a scan report. To share from the scan section, navigate to Scans in ZeroThreat and click the Share button next to the scan you wish to share. Enter the recipient's name and email address. Then click Share. Or, to share from within a report, open the scan report, click the Share button in the top right corner, enter the recipient's name and email address, and click Share. With either method, the recipient will receive an email about the shared report and can access it directly in the ZeroThreat portal.